wonderful plot, by the way. It's like, yeah. Any other questions?
So
Anyone?
Varun, over here. Yeah.
Oh, you
to
got
your right.
extra mic.
Here, Varun.
Hi, what's up?
Yeah, you're looking great, man.
Thank you.
So Varun, normally the kind of things family popular about men is that they need to just look rough, tough, and stronger. So with the kind of the survey we just got to know from the tan side was like that. So is it like that the thing has been changed about the men so that they need to just look softer men?
I don't think that much has changed. I think what has changed is probably like pollution levels have gone up. Stuff around us has changed. There are more cars on the road today, so there's anyway your skin is getting damaged by a whole lot of stuff that what used to not be there earlier, you know. Otherwise, I don't know about soft and all this, but I think what does matter is that at the end of the day that you look your best. Like if suppose you have like a 12-hour sleep or like a 10-hour proper sleep, then you will look bright and awake and, you know, energized and well rested. But sometimes you don't get that time. You get only like 6 hours sleep or 4 hours sleep. So then what do you do? If you have a presentation in the morning or you have to get to your job or you have like some proposal or you have something or the other work the next day. So you still need to look bright on your face and still need to look like you're still at your A game and looking your best. So at that time, I think then you need a face wash. So I think that's why these things are there.
Let's have one more question from the gentleman at the back. Let's give some attention to the people out here as well. Yes, sir. What's your name? She wants to know. Okay.
Okay, hi Varun. Just wanted to know your experience. You worked in a show which is probably based on Punk, the Hindi version of it.
Huh.
So just wanted to know your experience.
It wasn't on me, so it was pretty good. I think who it was on, they were not very happy, but it was cool. It was. I think it's a little different than Punked. It's changed. It's pretty much that the people who are involved in it, they only handle the show. So I actually haven't seen the footage that will come out. So I think once I see it, I'll be able to tell you how enjoyable it will be or no.
मिस्टर सुंदरम आपसे एक सवाल जानना चाहेंगे कि ये जो फेस यहाँ श्वेताब एबीपी न्यूज़ से ये स्किन केयर जो प्रोडक्ट है इसका मार्केट कितना बड़ा है और कितने करोड़ का दाम आपने वरुण पे लगाया हुआ है?
I think the bigger question is not about how big the market is. तो सबसे बड़ा सवाल है कि ये एक सेगमेंट ग्रो कर रहा है और इसमें more users लाने की ज़रूरत है. So the bigger impetus is on how do we grow this category, and anything in skin care tends to be very large and tends to explode in very short period of time. And as a brand like Pond's, which has international credentials, which has equity in face care, we believe the time is now right for us to grow this market. तो द सवाल जो आपका है उसका मैं सीधा जवाब इसलिए नहीं दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैच्योर कैटेगरीज में एक एम्बिशन हो सकता है कि आप कहें कि इतना मुझे शेयर चाहिए, पर ये ऐसे कैटेगरीज हैं जहाँ पे एम्बिशन आप खुद सेट कर सकते हो और वहाँ पहुँच सकते हो डिपेंडिंग ऑन गेटिंग द राइट लेवल ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट बिहाइंड इट एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली getting products that truly work for men. And trust me, I've interacted with Varun for a long time today. वो जो कहते हैं on the product is his consumer feedback, and if we get many more people like Varun adopting it and really trying this product because it is different, we will make the market size that we want it to be and not start playing ourselves in a very narrowly defined market.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, sorry, that is the end of the Q&A. Thank you so much for all your questions tonight. And also, can we have a round of applause for Mr. Sundaram? Come on, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, the very, very wonderful Mr. Varun Dhawan. A round of applause for this lovely gentleman. Come on. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. And also, the cocktails and dinner are being served outside. So please go out there and get drunk and don't drive after that. Thank you so much for coming out, ladies and gentlemen. Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.
Thank you guys. Have fun.